you know that you've got different types of fat in your body, and brown fat is one of them, and it can help you with weight loss. Now, we want to build up our brown fat, and the easiest way to do that is to actually expose our body to colder temperatures. Brown fat is more rich in mitochondria, and of course, mitochondria can produce more energy and more heat and to keep us warm. So it is a protective and a survival mechanism that we've got as mammals. And if you think about it, we want to actually increase our cold exposure to help our body's ability to make that heat. If I always think about animals in the forest, they don't necessarily put on an extra jacket to keep themselves warm. Their body actually adapts to those colder temperatures by building up that brown fat. So I've got 4 tips now how to build up that brown fat to help specifically for weight loss if you're struggling to get that extra fat off. Okay, tip number 1 for building up that brown fat is to eat foods that are local to you and in season. Now, a great example for me where I live away from the equator are apples. So if they grow close to where you live, amazing in the fall time, and you actually start to crave apples. One of the reasons is that it helps to actually build your brown fat. Now, with the ability to increase irisin levels by eating those apples, it's something that will help to naturally allow your body to make more of that body heat. Okay, tip number 2 is to go for brief periods without wearing your coat or your extra layer of clothing. That could be your warm fuzzy sweater in the fall. Just go for brief periods without having your coat on. This will again help with that brown fat and can help to dramatically lose that extra body fat that you may be holding on to. Okay, number 3, the good old cold showers. So yeah, this is if you haven't yet started doing cold showers, the easiest way to ease into this is to have your regular warm shower or hot shower. Then just the last 15 seconds, you're going to crank it to as cold as it will go and just endure that coldness. The longer you do this, the more time you can add to that cold section of your shower, but always end your showers in cold. It is amazing for building up your brown fat. And tip number 4, of course, is after you've had enough cold, you always want to warm up. You want to get comfortable again. So whether that means having some hot tea, sitting by a warm fire, going into a sauna, exercise is a great way to heat up the body again as well. You do want to allow your body to come back to a healthy and normal temperature, but at the same time, those brief spouts of that cold exposure will do wonders for your weight loss. Now, have you tried cold showers? I'm really curious. Let me know in the comments. And for more tips how to increase your weight loss, please check out my video, Weight Loss Hacks You Haven't Heard. I'll see you there.